Hi, I'm Sriram and we are from team Robotics, and here we are here to present a modular agriculture bot that we have designed to help small farmers. So as we know that small farmers face a lot of challenges in entering the technological field because of the cost barrier. Most of the newer technologies which are in for agriculture applications are very expensive and the farmers are not able to afford it. So here we have a solution which will be a smaller scale robot which will be able to sell at a very low cost. So the entire cost of the final robot will range from 50,000 to 1 lakh. The advantage of this robot is that it is a modular bot, which means that we will be able to switch out the modules. So here we have a seeding module which can be removed very easily, and we can add a different module on top here. So and we can change the functionality of the bot completely by just switching it out. This allows us to uh, this allows the farmers to easily upgrade the bots, as well as not it won't require a bulk investment, as they can choose the features that they need. The the bot is cheaper than the other commercially available bots because of the new technology we are using to localize the bot by using just a single camera which is present here. The camera is a normal camera which is just 2000 rupees, which will be used to localize the entire bot on the field instead of using other sensors such as LiDARs and GPS, which will cost over 1 lakh rupees. We also have a website here which shows us the live location and feed of the, sorry, here. Like we can also see the live feed of the robot to see what's currently happening by the robot.
It's there. It's fine. Show it in the screen.
It's a live feed of what the robot is doing currently.